said welcome to the vlog.
Since we smashed the window of the Northern California house, I'd say keep it in my...
Huh? You get it. Get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Like I'm scared to get a big old
I
flash.
got it. Yeah, like me, I got it.
That was cute. Oh no, like I did my own pool. Look at that. Why didn't you just step on them? Do you really want me to say? Yeah.
Olive. Olive.
Oh wait.
You ready?
I gotta wait.
Under Rowan's bed. What are you doing, man? You know how adorable you are? I love you. Took my entire surf reel apart. I mean, like gears and all. So I could grease it, maintain it, get the sand out of it. You know, just do what good fishermen and people who keep up with their shit do. Yeah, I did all that and realized I don't have any oil or silicone spray. Yeah, it's good. So that's gonna sit there for a good half hour. Yes, it's the best. Okay, two things right now. First off, the drummer ripping these flies off topwater right now. They're just running everywhere. Secondly, look at this. Look at that, dude. Holy f***. What is life? That is so sick. Okay. Alright, any of you subscribers or followers remember 2 weeks ago we shot a vlog right over there. Daphne, Fairhope Pier, Mobile, tip of Fort Morgan, Dauphin Island. We were right over there a few weeks ago. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Yo, I love being down in this freaking neighborhood. For those of you who watch my vlog and know what Fort Morgan, Alabama is, it's like a peninsula that goes for like 30 miles. And it's sorry about that. That was a semi truck on the way to Montgomery. But anyway, yo, it's just so beautiful down here. It's like one way in, one way out. Like, it's just gorgeous, man. It's like there's like rich houses, like middle class houses, like hotels, see, like right there, like just cool stuff everywhere. And then there's a patch of like, yeah, what's up? He didn't know me. I don't know him. He said what's up, so I said what's up back. But there's a patch of like just dunes and state preserve, like just sand dunes down here. It's gorgeous. There's a Civil War fort down here. Like I said, for those of you who frequent our vlog, y'all know what I'm talking about. How the hell do I get out of here? That was my buddy. He's awesome. I don't even know his name. I've known him for like 3 years, and we always see each other at the gate. We just never even ask each other's name, because sometimes the friendships are so freaking cool that you don't even need to know the other person's name. Yo, where were these things when I was a kid? Parent can sit right there. Baby sits right there. Pretty cool swing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2. Woo! It's a fake wheel. Do it, girl. Do it. You got it. There you can. You got it. I got your back. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Jeez.
So I'm going to get down now.
Okay, come on. Ooh. Okay, so we're at the kids' park at Foley. It's like 8:10 in the morning. So, okay. What?
There's some money in there.
There's nothing in there. It's the only time we can get out here and it not be blazing hot. So we figured we'd come out here when the, before the sun starts beaming down on us. You doing your makeup? Looks nice, baby.
You guys came in. Like that.
Got to teach them young. Splash pad. A few miles from my house. Right here, this house. I don't know if you can tell, it starts like right here, ends about right there. It's a 3-story house, 2-story house. And I'm ready, baby. Show me. Woo! Get it, girl. Get it. But anyway, I put a vanity and a glass shower door in that house. I would show you the front of it, but it's kind of blocked by a bunch of trees. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good. I think we pretty much just cut that short by accident. Don't you think so? I don't think we went to all the rooms and stuff and saw everything. Now that I'm looking at the back of this building, I'm pretty sure that we've missed something. $13. Foley. Also, my wife helped design that clock tower, by the way, when she worked for a architectural firm.
There's one close.
When she worked for an architecture firm in Orange Beach, she helped design that. Small world. It's actually really cool in here. This is the old train station. I'm like, whenever the hell it was a train station, a long time ago, clearly. But they've preserved everything. Made everything like really cool in here. Museum. Pretty sick. This is so crazy. I went to high school with this guy's daughter. I've met him a few times. By the way, we're at the train station in Foley, or the train museum in Foley. Olive insisted that we make a visit. Isn't that right, Olive? She always wants to come here and see the trains.
Are you still there?
So we decided that we'll come and do it.
Station in the archives. Press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?